If you want to share your heart music with others, but you find it really difficult, we are hosting a free live workshop that will help you overcome 3 common challenges with performing. You can click the link below to sign up. And now Chrissy Lynn and I are going to share the most common performance challenges and give you some tips on how to tackle them.
Challenge number 1. I don't feel ready to play for others, but I never seem to get beyond this stage. You may feel like you're not good enough, your pieces aren't fluent, or you don't have enough harp skills to perform. You might think, I'll perform when I'm more advanced. But the truth is, waiting until you feel ready often means never feeling ready at all. Your music is worth sharing even if it's not perfect. It's not just about how skilled you are, it's about having the courage to share what you have. Just think of what a difference you can make to the people listening. If you're not fluent in your repertoire, you might need to look at how you're practicing or the difficulty level of the pieces you're working on. But remember, simple music can be just as beautiful as complex pieces. And as an added bonus, performing actually helps you progress faster than practicing alone, even if you don't feel 100% prepared.
All right, challenge number 2. I feel nervous about messing up and embarrassing myself. Many harpists find that their nerves get the best of them during performances. They feel out of control with their physical or mental symptoms and worry that their nerves are going to make them mess up and humiliate themselves. And you might think that you're just not cut out to be a performer. But the secret is that most people, even professionals, experience performance anxiety. I know I do. It's been a journey for me, but it actually doesn't have to destroy your ability to perform. Did you know that there's a big difference between practicing your notes and actually practicing to perform? And we can learn to work with our nerves instead of trying to resist them and seeing them as this big issue. You can learn to deal with your performance anxiety by learning proven strategies that will help lessen the intensity, help you recover from mistakes, and regain control. Managing your nerves is a skill, but it can be developed with the right tools and strategies.
Challenge number 3. The practicalities of performing feel overwhelming. Moving your harp, choosing songs, and figuring out where and when to play can feel like a huge hassle. Maybe the idea of figuring these things out and planning the details makes performing seem too complicated. But when you're getting started with performing, it's a good idea to keep things simple, like playing casually for people at home and sticking to 1 or 2 songs. And when you do decide you're ready to get your harp out and about to perform, there are some simple things you can do to make it feel much easier. For example, having a clear step-by-step plan for how to move your harp and knowing the right way to choose a set list depending on the type of performance. The right strategy and preparation can make things go smoothly and eliminate a lot of stress.
If you'd like to learn more about how to overcome these common performance challenges and get inspired to share your harp music with others, join us for our free workshop called Ready to Perform: How to Tackle 3 Common Challenges. You can click the link below for more info and to sign up. We can't wait to see you there.